Hey, what's up? We're doing this again. Taking Vinny's limo to a limo shop in Corona, California. And I talked to this dude, Enrique. Seems promising, seems hopeful. So we're gonna drive the hour trip to Corona from Long Beach and see what we can do with this limousine, all right? Hey, what's going on? From Platinum Big Toys in Corona, California, and I'm here with the owner and a savior that's gonna be bringing this limousine back to life, Enrique Herrera. What's going on, brother?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, man, thank you so much for agreeing to fix this up. Enrique, we went over everything that we're gonna be doing for this, and this is a pro, man. Enrique, you actually helped build this limo, which is a few blocks away at Ultra Limo in Corona, California, right, dude?
Right, this is an original Tiffany built, and actually we built this one 2 buildings down the road. We're gonna take the whole thing apart and rebuild it all new.
So badass, man. Yeah. Thank you so much, Enrique. Full circle, man. This thing was born a few blocks away, and it's gonna come back to life here at Platinum Big Toys in freaking Corona. Enrique's a badass, man. I appreciate it so much, man. But we're looking forward to making this a freaking cool Pantera museum on wheels. And one of the most important things, of course, is the sound, man. Enrique says we're gonna freaking rattle vehicles and probably break eardrums and shit with this shit, but that's what we want to do, man.
Probably
so
about 5,000 watt sound system.
Fuck yeah, man. What would Vinny and Dime do, damn it? So thanks, Enrique. So we'll be coming back and getting updates throughout the next few months, and here it is, man. I'm leaving it. No! Fuck yeah, Enrique. Yeah. All right, before I drop off this limo with Enrique here at Platinum Big Toys in Corona, I am removing the backstage passes so that I just know that I have them, and I'm actually going through like the back of the seats and stuff, and I'm finding like receipts and things. And I said to Enrique, hey man, if you find like, you know, any drugs or something kind of cool that I can add to the video, please let me have it. And he was like, yeah, no problem, man. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade all this stuff in here. Everything is going to be redone. I didn't even know that's a TV, but right there, that's a TV. I had no idea. But yeah, man, we are so excited to be working with Enrique, who helped build this limo back in the day, and he's gonna help bring it back to life, man. We're gonna put CFHs right here in all the chairs, and yeah, of course, hook it up with a sick ass bar, and the sound system is gonna be one of the most important things, man. But kind of crazy, man. I'm excited. I'm nervous. It's gonna cost a lot of money, but thank you so much for helping to restore Vinnie Paul's limo. I appreciate it more than you even know. This is such a cool project. Even Enrique is so stoked to be a part of it as well, man. Might as well start taking these down, man. Hate-free typo negative show. All right. How about this one? After show, House of Blues. Doesn't say what show it is. I'm still not sure who that dude is. Opera box. Man, this is crazy. What is all this? Oh, this is the rust. This is rust from someplace. But look at that. Save all these passes, man. All right, so a nice little inside look into Vinny's limo, which we are going to restore. Let's take off some of these ones right here. What are these? Look at this one. Oh man, Billy Idol. Nice. This one is just a Palladium show, and here's Vinny sat a lot in the opera boxes. Here's a Cheap Trick one. I'm sure he was really excited to go to this one. Let's see here. This one is another Palladium show. I've been to the Palladium a bunch of times. Here's a Kid Rock tattoo. Here's maybe that's a spider web from Texas, who knows? But yeah, man, I'm so happy. Look at this damaged blend wood. What the fuck? I'm so happy that I met Enrique. I can really feel how cool he is and how excited he is to help bring this back to life. Man, there's more passes. What is this? Doesn't even say. Oh man. Oh no! I ripped one. It's a Cheap Trick one. Another one. Same show. It's got a Smirnoff one on there. It's kind of funny. All right, man. So cool. Here it is inside Vinny's limo that we are fixing. And by the way, these cups right here are from the last party that they threw. Still in here. Haven't gotten rid of any of them. All right, get you some. Come on. All right, let's do one more quick run through before we leave the limo here for its next steps in the evolution process, man. Wow. Here it is. I'm leaving this finally to get the help that it needs. All right, we got this. We got this. Let's fucking do this. Come on.